What's up everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to use Roblox parental controls. Roblox is a platform with tons of great games that kids love, and while Roblox does a generally good job of keeping your kids safe in games, it does offer parental controls you can use to further monitor what your child does and control what they can do. You don't need a separate parent account to set up parental controls on your child's Roblox account, but rather you set up parental controls by logging in to your child's Roblox account. Now let's walk through the steps to use Roblox parental controls. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.roblox.com, and then sign in to your child's Roblox account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your child's Roblox home screen. Step 2. Click the settings icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Settings in that menu. The Roblox My Settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Click Parental Controls in the menu on the left side of the screen. Parental controls options for this Roblox account will be shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Parent PIN section and then click to turn on the toggle in this section if you want to enable a PIN that will need to be entered before anyone using this account can change the settings. The Add PIN window will pop up. Enter what you want to be the 4-digit PIN code in the 2 fields in this window, and then tap Add. A success message is shown letting you know that your PIN code is now set up and will be required before anyone can access the settings page going forward. Click OK to go back to the My Settings screen. Step 5. Navigate to the Account Restrictions section. You can turn on the toggle in this section to ensure that your child only has access to age-appropriate content on Roblox. Step 6. Navigate to the Monthly Spend Restrictions section. If you turn this toggle on, you'll be able to set a maximum dollar amount your child can spend in Roblox on a monthly basis. Make sure you tap Save after entering a new spending limit. Step 7. Navigate to the Spend Notifications section. You can turn on the toggle in this section to get notifications associated with your child's spending on Roblox. You can click the drop-down field in this section to choose whether you want to see the default notifications, where you'll only be notified if your child's spending looks high in a given month, or you can choose all notifications if you want to get a notification every time your child makes a purchase in Roblox. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.